Pilgrim device that me and my team has developed. So basically, what the purpose of Pilgrim is, it is to remind you, it is to dispense pills for you, and it is to store your medical history data. So I am sure कि आप सबने एक चीज़ फेस की होगी अपनी लाइफ में, that you forgot to take your medicine, right? So ये हम हर किसी के साथ होता है. तो Pilgrim की शुरुआत भी यहीं से हुई थी. My father has epilepsy and he's taking medicine since last 25 years, and he always forgets to take the medicine, right? So I just thought, why can't there be a solution and get an affordable solution where we can help him to take the medicine and not forget it, and also it should share with us also that he has taken the medicine, right? So that's how Pilgrim is born. So we had made previous iterations for Pilgrim as well. This is also in the prototype stage, but this you can say is Pilgrim 3.0. So without further ado, let's quickly switch to the dashboard and see how Pilgrim works. So this is our dashboard. So what will happen is, this is the complete responsive dashboard. This is the complete responsive dashboard. In this dashboard, you can set the timer for your bills, set other preferences such as, let's say you want to get reminded every 3 minutes how you have to take medicine, or let's say you want to snooze that I forgot to take medicine. You can all customize from this dashboard. This dashboard is entirely responsive, so you can use it from your mobile phone as well. And let me show you how you can set various things from the dashboard. So this is the charts that it will draw, that it will tell you how much medicines you have taken on time and when you forgot to take on time. Right? It will store the medical history for you. It will store the information per day basis for everything. From here, you can set the reminders for your medicine. Let's say, okay, so the time now is 13:16. Let's say set a reminder for 13:18 and save changes. So now we will be able to fetch a medicine from Pilgrim at 13:18. So we will have to wait a few minutes. Let's see. So as you can see here, Pilgrim has received the message. It is showing that medicine time updated. Yeah. Until then, I can maybe explain you the working. So how the Pilgrim works is, it has 3 chambers. So each chamber signifies morning, afternoon and evening, and then each chamber is divided into 7 further parts. So that means that Pilgrim can store up to 21 times medication that will last you up to 7 days and 3 times every day. So this is mind the design, guys. This is just a prototype. So this is the entrance from the medications. We can enter the medications from here, the loading the medications from here. We have to do it every once a week. Then this is where we will get the medicines. This is the unloading dock, and here you can see is a ultrasonic sensor, which will if when we come near the sensor, it will dispense the pill for us. So now, as you must have heard the buzzer, so pill dispenser Pilgrim is saying that you have to take your medicine. The time is to take your medicine, and it's already 1:18 right now. So as you can see, we have successfully dispatched a batch of medicine. Thank you everyone.